We're gonna work on down again. So we're gonna get him into the position there quickly. Work on building that. Failed there. No, good boy. That was a real good one. I don't know if y'all saw how fast he was around me. Let's see if we can get him to do it from a standing position. Because you have to teach dogs different positions. So what if I go? See, that's much slower. Still got it, but much slower. That's why I like teaching it from a sit first, because they always do better from a sit. Let's get him around here. I'm gonna help him move that rear down quick. There we go. Good boy. Hey, this is Benjamin from Optimal Canine. If you're looking to transform your dog's behavior in under 60 days, comment train down below and we'll send you a link to get you started. See you soon.